Hi, this is Jahid Hassan Khan. Are you looking for a great logo that makes your brand stand out? You are in the right place. I will design a custom emblem, logo type, combination letter mark or abstract logo that made just for your business. Every logo I create is clean, modern and easy to remember. I focus on making design that look good everywhere, in your website, social media and products.
We will get clear high quality files, a few logo ideas to choose from and unlimited edits until you are happy with the result. Let's work together to create a logo that truly shows what your brand is about. Order now and I will start designing your new logo today.